And here's I will show you how to send one-time view photo in Facebook Messenger. First of all, you have to update your Messenger app. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Messenger. All you have to need, if you see any new update available, just update the Messenger app. Now go ahead and open the Messenger app. Go to a conversation where you want to send a one-time view message. You can capture an instant photo by tapping on camera icon. In my case, I'm going to selecting an existing photo from my gallery. Once you selected a photo, don't tap on send. You have to tap on edit. And here you will see this option, keep in chat. Just tap on this keep in chat option. And here we can see one view once enable. Now all you have to do is just send this photo, and that's it. I've successfully sent it a one-time view photo in my Messenger. Thanks for watching.